Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your second weekly reading of the month May. Yes, so if you are a sun moon rising, any sign is Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and find your signs reading. Your cards are already out, so let's dive in what's happening in your career plus love, okay? I will start with your career first. You've got the Apprentice and the Justice card. Yeah. So I do see that you have been working really hard like a trainee, like an apprentice, given more working hours, taken less salary back home, less income back home. Now it's time that karma will serve you with some rewards. Yes, because you've been a good boy or a good girl and you're going to get rewards from karma. All your hard work is going to be paid off. You'll start seeing that if you were jobless, if you have been applying relentlessly, you will start seeing results. If people will start calling you, you will probably get a job. Even if you have been waiting for a promotion, you'll get that. If you were waiting to get permanent, you'll get that. And if you have been giving your all to your business, you'll start seeing the results. Money will start flowing in, better clients or more clients will start coming in. So this is a time to sit back, relax, and see the fruits uh, coming to you and you eating the fruits of whatever there's a saying which I'm forgetting right now, something so shall you reap, right? So I think that you have sown a lot of seeds and they are going to all give you some or the other fruit which is going to be beautiful for you. Continue to work hard as you are working right now because you will soon see the results. Second week is all about karma giving you the reward for whatever you have done so far. And I also see if someone did you wrong, somebody betrayed you in work, probably took your client, took your money or whatever, they will also get justice, okay? Karma is not going to spare anyone who did you wrong. So do not worry about that as well. You continue to give your best in your work, especially. Now coming to your love life, you've got the Abyss and the Hangman. I do see that you are wise, I do see that you're intuitive, I do see you are smart and intelligent, but despite all that, you have been betrayed by someone you really trusted. And this is a close relationship. This can be a spouse, partner, this can be even close relationships like family and friends as well. You have been betrayed so well that you sometimes question yourself that what was I thinking? How did I not see this coming? And probably your intuition even told you that you should not be trusting this person, but you still did. You fell in love with them. You let them use you and abuse you for the longest period of time. But the problem is that that has already happened. I do see that this is like a recent past or maybe a long past journey which has already occurred, but you're somewhere still stuck in that past energy that how can that person do this to me? The cards are actually telling you to move on from this stuck energy because you're delaying the good things from coming to you. So if you have been single and or you have gone through that breakup where you are still in a hurt and sad energy, you have to lift your vibrations again, which means that the right person is just around the corner only if you are ready to move ahead. If you'll continue to be in this stuck energy, probably you'll never get the right partner. Okay, so please accept that whatever has happened. You made a mistake, this person betrayed you. Do not give them another chance and move on. Find the right partner, somebody who's trustworthy, somebody who will not betray your trust, somebody who will love and respect you the way you deserve. Okay, so this has a lot to do with what you deserve because everything that you deserve is waiting for you. You only have to take that first step. Okay, so guys, overall, I do see it's a good reading because there are new changes and better changes waiting for you in work and in your love life. So please accept them. Please claim this positive energy by commenting on my reading. And if you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment what's happening in your life, your situation. I will like to read it, like it and also reply to each one of you. Last but not the least, if you would like to book any sort of personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions with me, I do that as well at a very cheap price. I also have audio video sessions available with me. You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. All these details are mentioned in my description box and my bio. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis. What are the packages available, discounts going on, when to do the rituals, what new services I have launched there on a daily basis on my Instagram channel. Here I'll only meet you weekly and monthly, but do subscribe so that you get the reading beforehand. You get the subscription, you get the membership as well if you want to participate in my live Q&A session. And yes, take care of yourself. I would love to hear from you. I'm waiting to hear from you. You can ping me to know the prices, the details, and you will get your reading within 24 hours. Yes. All right. So take care of yourself. Thank you for watching my channel, and bye bye.